We're Liz and John, heading for the Savannah Way via the Atherton Tablelands. This glorious place with waterfalls, granite gorges, boulders, rock wallabies, a coffee plantation, and even a drive-through bakery. We've set up camp here at Granite Gorge and went to Mareeba to do some shopping. We arrived back absolutely exhausted. The van is still dirty, but the plants that we bought at Mission Beach are still thriving. Have a look at them. They've been all the way up to the tip, and they've been everywhere with us, and they're doing so well.
So you wouldn't believe what we saw in Mareeba today. A drive-through bakery. Unbelievable. 2 cars driving in, people come out, serve them, pies, cakes, whatever they want. And we stopped. We didn't have the drive-through option. We parked and walked in because we didn't know what to choose. But of course, there's always a vanilla slice waiting for us in a country bakery. So here it is.
It's not looking very good at the present
No,
moment.
it's, I think we've seen better. What do you think?
Well, the secret is in the custard, not in the icing on the top.
That's right. The secret's in the custard. Let's just have a look at this.
Wiggle wobble.
Right.
That's not a good start.
Not a good start. No, not a good start. Out of 10?
5.
Oh, shame. The drive-through experience was more exciting than the product itself. I'm going to try mine now. I think that the novelty of a drive-through bakery was what attracts people to the place. But perhaps we chose the wrong thing. There seemed to be a lot of very lovely goodies inside there, but our selection really wasn't the best. So 5 out of 10, really, for the vanilla slice. And I think the same thing for the apple turnover. Maybe 6. Yeah, the apple was okay, but it's an institution here in Mareeba, this drive-through bakery. The bread is great, the pies look exceptional, but I just think we're a bit unlucky with what we chose. So I'll just have to leave it at that. We're going to go into Jaques' coffee plantation and do some tastings.
We'll see how it goes.
Joy.
That's the number 1 cascara tea. Hot water for your pulver. That's the carbon X. Hot shot espresso, cold brew, and nitro cold brew.
Right.
Okay, guys.
And how much water do you pour through that?
All the jug.
All the jug,
Okay.
right. Okay, brilliant.
Thank you,
Well,
guys.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Surrounded with coffee beans. The skins are dried and made into tea, which is full of antioxidants.
Oh, yum. Yum. So we're just making our way down this track, down to the bottom of Davies Creek, to have a look at the waterfall. We're at this beautiful place called Davies Creek, so we'll have a walk down here and check out the waterfall. Beautiful day. Not too far down, but it's a little bit steep. Just have to go carefully. Pretty good view up here, isn't it?
Beautiful view. Well, here we are at Davies Creek. Absolutely magic. I would love to have put the drone up, but it's a little bit too windy and it's a little too far down to go and retrieve it.
So we are off on a walk to see the Rock Wallabies and the Granite Gorge. It's our last day here.
This was a real treat to go down here. There were so many rock wallabies jumping around. Never seen so many. And here they come. They know that we've got food. You buy a packet of food for $2 and they know that you've got food. And so over they come to you. They were very tame. They just come right up to you. Of course, it's the food that they're coming for. And I was sitting down on a rock and one came over to me and I got quite a shock. It scratched me. Whoop.
Plenty of lovely birds. Nicely set up. So when you stay here at Granite Gorge, you pay $40 and that includes your tour here or your walk through here through the gorge. Otherwise you have to pay $15 a head.
Now we're moving on to Atherton to explore its beauty, the waterfalls and the history of the area. So come along with us.